Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have over 100 deals, coupons, and glitches to share with you all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos for you all this week, so if you missed out on any of those, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below, and don't forget that today on Wednesday, we do have new clearance markdowns and penny items. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into the deals, the coupon matchups, and the glitches for this week at Dollar General. Now, I have not made a good deals and glitch list video in a week or two because of all of the clearance markdowns and penny lists and just all the things going on at DG. So I figured I owed it to you all to go back a couple of weeks, go through some of the older coupons, and see if we have any new deals or sales with those coupons as well. So we actually do. I did find quite a few items that are on sale this week, and we have coupons for, so like the Nivea, I remember it was on sale, as well as the Hellmann's Mayo. So there's a couple of good deals there. I'm not going to walk you all through and talk you all through each and every coupon matchup because, like I said, there are around 100 coupon matchups in this video. So I'm going to turn on a little bit of background music, and then I'll catch you all at the end of the video. But just make sure that you're paying attention because, like I said, some of these items are on sale this week with the coupon matchups. Alright guys, so I'm back with you all. I hope you all have enjoyed this video so far, and now we are going to head on into our glitch list. Now keep in mind that glitches can end at any time. Some of these are a couple of weeks old at this point, so it is very important when you guys are in the store to make sure that you scan each and every item before you go up to the register to make sure that those digital coupons do attach. Now I also want you guys to keep in mind that with the Dollar General app, there's a lot of things with that app that just don't work right. It just doesn't show up like it is going to work out for you all in the store. So if you are using the DG app to put together your 5 off $25 scenarios or any kind of deals like that, you may not end up with the correct price that shows up in the app. So for me, with my 5 off $25 scenarios, I do it the old-fashioned way: paper, pen, and calculator. And then the only thing that I use my Dollar General app for is to scan the items in the store to price check, to scan the items in the store to make sure that the coupons attach. And then, of course, I use it on Sundays to clip my coupons to my account and to look for new coupon matchups. So there's just a quick little pro tip from me to you. And now we have made it to the end of the video. So for those of you out there who have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I know there's a lot of you guys who watch my videos, but you just haven't hit that subscribe button yet, and it is completely free. So go ahead and subscribe, and while you're at it, keep in mind that these videos do take a lot of time to make, especially with all of the slides. I try to make it easy for you guys so that y'all can have screenshots saved in your phone once you go out to the store. So please hit that thumbs up button and leave a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 really quick ways that y'all can help me out. And then take a second to share the video. All right guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.